Hey guys, welcome back. This is Khushbu again. Today we are going to discuss about presumptive taxation under section 44 AD, ADA and AE. So as per Income Tax Act, every person who is engaged in business or profession needs to maintain its books of accounts or conduct audit if they have crossed the threshold limit. So for the small business players who are not gaining that much profit, there is a scheme called presumptive taxation under section 44 AD, ADA and AE. So a person who has adopted presumptive taxation scheme can declare its income at a prescribed rate and can be relieved from the tedious job of doing accounts and audit. So now let's talk about presumptive taxation under different sections. So first start with section 44 AD of the presumptive taxation. In section 44 AD, if you are a businessman and your turnover is not exceeding 2 crores in the previous year, you can avail the benefit of this scheme. But to avail the same, you have to be Indian resident, Indian resident partnership firm or a resident of a Hindu undivided family. So if you are not in any of these three category, you cannot avail the benefit of this scheme. So now let's talk about who cannot avail benefit under this presumptive taxation scheme under section 44 AD. So one, if you are a limited liability partnership, you cannot avail benefit under this scheme. If you are into an agency business, you cannot avail benefit under this scheme. If you are into a business of commission or brokerage, you cannot avail benefit under this scheme. If you have availed the deduction as per the prescribed section of the Income Tax Act, you cannot avail benefit under the scheme. If you are into a business of flying, hiring or leasing of goods carriers which are prescribed under section 44 AE, you cannot avail benefit of this scheme. So now let's talk about presumptive taxation under section 44 ADA. To avail the benefit of this scheme, you have to be a professional and you should not be having income more than 50 lakhs in the previous financial year. And this scheme was effective from 1st April 2017. This scheme is available for an individual resident and partnership firm, which is resident partnership firm, and a resident Hindu undivided family. To avail the benefit under this scheme, you have to fall under some specified categories such as engineering, architectural, legal, accountancy, medical, and also some specified category of film stars and sport persons are can avail the benefit under this scheme. Also in this scheme, you can opt in or opt out without any 5 years restriction. So now let's talk about the presumptive taxation scheme under section 44 AE. This taxation scheme is applicable for every individual company or firm assessee. And this scheme is applicable for the businesses who are engaged in flying, leasing or hiring the goods carriages. And to avail the benefit under this scheme, the businessman should not own more than 10 vehicles during a year. If you are owning more than 10 vehicles during a year, you cannot take benefit under this scheme. And if you have opted for section 44 AE, you can compute your income on the estimated basis. So now let's talk about the benefits of opting this presumptive taxation scheme. So number one is you don't need to maintain books of accounts. Number two is you don't need to conduct audit. Number three, if your gross receipts are less than 2 crores, you can avail the benefit under section 44 AD and your total income will be considered as 8% of total receipts. And number 4, if you have generated the income in digital mode, that is non-cash mode, it will be considered as 6% as total income of total gross receipts. Number 5 is the advance tax. Number 5, in this thing, you don't need to pay or calculate the advance tax each quarter, and you can pay a lump sum amount before the 31st March of every year. So that's all from my end today. Stay tuned, we are coming up with more informative videos, and this is Khushbu signing off for the day. Till then, goodbye, take care.